squeeze speed. Hey, what is up, everybody? It's me, Super Saiyan the Drive here. We're back with another episode of Orc Survival Evolved. I did actually record this straight after one. So, remember, if you guys are on my Twitch channel, you're always gonna see them earlier. It's a fact. Sometimes I get lazy and just will not post them. So now I know you're probably thinking, oh, you're gonna go working on this today. Actually, no. You're probably like, what are you gonna do then? Actually, why am I taking this? Let me go back to the base. This thing is slow. I'd take anything. It'd probably be pterodactyl if I was just going out. Actually, you know that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go take the pterodactyl out for a little ride. So that's what we're gonna be doing. What is down there? Are you serious? We have more spawning in? It's sweet and all, but I already got my animals. So we are going to be taking the pterodactyl out actually today. Yeah, we already have our beavers, so we're just going out. You guys probably can already guess what we're going to be looking for. We're going to be checking the mountains, the streams. Caught the dome down there. This is actually cool looking. Toronto. Beavers are gonna start spawning more, you know. It just happens when you get a lot of tames done. Remember the little edge up there when we first got a flying animal? I remember everything about this. Coptodon, T-Rex. No terror bird. A lot of Procoptodons though, I will tell you that. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be searching for the terror bird. If we cannot actually find it, then what we're actually going to do is we're just going to give up on finding it for a little while. And hopefully we will find another one. But we got lucky with the beavers. We're probably not gonna get lucky with this part. With how they spawned in right beside the base. Probably the travel. Oh gosh. I want that T-Rex right there. But the real T-Rex I want is that one. Right there. That's the one I want. So yeah. That is gonna be a hard kill. Let's get her moving on. And I've always heard, you know, hills, beaches are the easiest places. So we're gonna head over to these hills over here now. I just checked this one first. I did not see one. Ooh, you always want to check these groups though. If they have an egg, that'll be Oviraptor done. But they don't. Which really sucks because I'm not getting any eggs in my world. I know where Quetzal is, I know where all kinds of things are, but you know, There's that Spino I need to tame. Found him. Okay, we need to go away from this area. Go, go, go. Get away from it. If we can get out of spawn area, I think, then we can hurry up, go back here, get my Quetzal, pick him straight up. I don't know how we're gonna do it. First deadly animal in our base. Okay, a little bit of lag. So we found terror birds. We found a pack of 3. Which is pretty nice. Pretty nice. Oh gosh, a little bit of lag. Loading this base takes a while. They're actually smaller than I thought they were, but you know, they're still pretty big. We need to just get there. We need to save them. I don't know if we're gonna be able to save them, but that's what my plan is, to at least save the one. If we could save one of them, that would be a goal accomplished. They are a lot smaller than I thought they would be, though. This guy moves really slow. I really want another one. God, not you. You one? Got one. I've seen. There are more here, just this is the one I happen to pick up. They are definitely a lot smaller than I thought they are. Maybe it's just the guy I'm on. Kinda don't want to tame them in there, but then I want to tame them like on the shore. You guys know what I'm talking about? Like if I drop them here, I'd have Bronto to kill. But he'd be running. Let's put him down here, see what he does. I'm dead. I so just thought I was dead. Could I tame this with regular meat? I have no idea. I don't think we're gonna be able to do this. Main reason is just because Torport so low. Actually, we might. But I'm gonna have to go get some more narcotic. But if we can tame this guy, it's gonna be pretty sweet. So we'll have 2 of the animals down. I'm gonna have to spam a lot of this stuff on him. We're gonna spam it. We're gonna take off. We're gonna go get us what we need. Ready to go. We're gonna put 10 on him. Back to the base we go. We gotta. Oh, we need the info. Good thing the base is just right here, though. Or else, you know, I probably would not be able to do this. Probably should have tamed them inside of here. Do you have any left on you? Out of my way. We need to hurry up. You have some money, right? No? Okay, well, we gotta hurry. We gotta hurry. No more messing around. Go. Move it. Okay, I think we are good now. I'll probably tame 2 pair birds, but 1 will be later on. Yes, we only need 1 ready. I think 1 will be good enough for now. Unless those other ones. Damn. Let's look up terror. Terror bird saddle. I need hide, fiber, and wood. That is actually not that bad. Hide. Wood. Fiber. We'll get 2 going. Then we'll throw the rest of this stuff down. Keep the hide though. Ooh, no. Yo, what have I been throwing down here? Definitely should be taming them soon. Don't know if it's gonna have enough weight to carry me though. Yeah, its weight looks like it sucks. How much do I weigh first? I weigh 167 pounds. So for me to even ride this, I'm gonna have to put things away. That looks pretty cool though. Oh, look at its beak. My underwater animals. I forgot about feeding them. Sorry about that again. I need to feed them. Not gonna check yet. I will feed them though, because they're definitely gonna need fed. From what I'm remembering, yeah. Okay, let's go. We need the engram thing. We had to stay beside him. How you going, little birdie? Okay, now I know why we knock everything out one shot. Because these are low-level animals. I forgot this is a level 1. I was like, why do I knock things out so easily? And it's like, oh, wait. Level 80 almost. Level 1. There we go. Little bird. So bat. Some Aranio, maybe. No? Bat. Oviraptor and bat. That's what it was. Look at that. Can't ride. Help. I'm gonna have to throw things off me. Let's throw the most heaviest things. What else is heavy on me? Like, ooh, what do you want from me? Can you move at least now? Okay, what? You want me to throw this too? God, give me throw this too. So let me put some of this stuff away. Don't want you, actually. Don't want you. So we put all that away. Could we ride you? No? They don't want me to ride you. How about now? How about now? There we go. Oh, that was the cool thing about these guys that I liked again. They're like parachutes. Ready? Here's what they do. Look. Oh, I couldn't say that time he's got stamina. Let's go. Let's get out of there. Those bugs will mess us up. Gonna get this terror bird home. We'll go tame another terror bird another day. I really don't want to tame one right now. I don't know why. Actually, they're probably a little bit harder to tame. Yeah. Actually, I don't know. I just don't feel like taming right now. What is wrong with you? There we go. There he is. He's actually gotten bigger. We tame him maybe? I don't know. So let's pork this guy where he was parking. Hop off, grab my materials back. Oh gosh. Did not mean to do that. I have a lot to transfer now. Dang, this lagged too. Let's drop it all. Okay, I think that is enough meat. Let me just freeze the game. Ready? We're gonna fly. Look at that. It just stood there for a minute and then finally fell. Okay, so I think that was all we got planned for today. I know this was like a little shorter video, but it's gonna be taken. Some people like shorter videos, more convenient. Some people don't. Some people like longer. You know, it's just more. You know, it just depends. We got the bird tamed. So there. Is it male or female? Male. So there he is. And we have Oviraptor and Bat Aranio, and we're almost done. Again, we take those two off our list, and we have the hardest things left to tame. Because I have not made any plants or anything, so I wonder how they're doing since actually it's been a while. And it's only been 20 minutes. This shouldn't have grown really. Mining. How's that going? Going okay? So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Gonna end it here. Please hit that like button and subscribe. Yeah. Check out my Twitch for the earliest content. Yeah, I'm out. Thanks for watching. Peace.